Unlock your creativity, step by step we'll go. With every brush and every tool, let your passion show. Smart graphics leads the way, in Photoshop we'll dive. Layer by layer, pixel dreams come alive. Smart graphics, teaching with care, designing the future, we're going somewhere. From colors to shapes, we'll make them flow. Together we'll learn and let our skills grow. A click, a drag, a magic cue, endless designs all ready for you. Filters and blends, effects that inspire, lighting the path to artistic fire. A click, a drag, a magic cue, endless designs all waiting for you. Filters and blends, effects that inspire,